Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Clipchamp and creating a new project with the right aspect ratio. Pick 16, 9 for YouTube or square for social. Once done, import your footage, logo, and music into the media bin so everything is ready. Next, drag your main clip to the timeline and set the intro length to about 5 to 10 seconds. This gives you structure. Make sure your project frame rate matches your source to avoid jitter and mismatched audio timing. Now you build the intro, add a title card and position a logo overlay so viewers immediately recognize the brand. Then trim clips tightly, nudge cuts, and insert short transitions of about 5 to 7 seconds to keep motion smooth. Once done, animate text with built-in presets and apply a quick color grade to unify the look. Also, make sure to duck background music under voice or primary sound so the intro reads clearly and feels professional. Finish by previewing the whole intro at full resolution and listen for audio balance and clip timing. Fix any overlaps or abrupt cuts. When satisfied, choose Export Settings, H, 264 codec, desired resolution, and a bitrate that preserves detail without huge files. Export a short test clip first to confirm colors and sync. If you see stuttering or audio drift, make sure the project FPS matches your source footage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.